everybody, and welcome to this video on quadratic sequences. In this video, we're having a look at some more exercises. Before attempting this video, please watch our previous videos for some of the details on how to identify a quadratic sequence as well as how to calculate the general formula. So for this one here, we will be calculating the general term, which is Tn of these formulas. So we're going to start with the first one, and we're going to start with finding the common differences. So for quadratic sequence, first we find the first difference, which we do by subtracting. So 12 minus 9 is 3, 12 minus 17 is, 17 minus 12 is 5, 24 minus 17 is 7, and finally 33 minus 24 is 9. So we can see our first differences are 3, 5, 7, and 9, and there are no common first differences, so it is not linear. We then go and check our second differences. So 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, and 9 minus 7 is 2. So we have over here, as you can see, a common second difference. So our second difference is common, and our second difference is 2, which means that we have a quadratic formula. Now, to find the general formula, we first use the set of formulas. The first one is A. 2a is equal to our second difference. So over here we have 2a, and our second difference is equal to 2. So here we get that a is equal to 1. Then we use our a and the second formula, which is 3a plus b, and we equate it to the first difference, which is t2 minus t1. So A we calculated was 1, and we would like to know what B is, and our first difference is 3. So then solving, we get B is equal to 0. Finally, we need to get our C term, so we use the equation A plus B plus C is equal to our first term. So A we calculated was 1, B is 0, C is what we're solving for, and it's 9. So solving for C, we get 8. So these three, A, B, and C, then give us for our formula, Tn is equal to An squared plus Bn plus C. So Tn is equal to 1n squared plus 0 times n plus 8. And then just writing this out in a simplified way, we get n squared plus 8. Okay, so let us try the second one. Again, we would like to get the first differences. So 14 minus 11 is 3, 19 minus 14 is 5, 26 minus 9 is 7, 19 is 7, and finally 35 minus 26 is 9. So the first differences are not common, so we look at the second differences, all of which is 2. So as you can see, once again, the second differences are common and they're equal to 2, meaning it is a quadratic sequence. So to find the formula, we first use the formula 2a is equal to our second difference. So we have again 2a is equal to 2, and solving for a, we get a is equal to 1. We then use the formula 3a plus b is equal to our first difference, which is 3. So we have 3 times 1 plus b is equal to 3. So again, b is equal to 0. And then the last one is we're going to use the formula A plus B plus C is equal to our first term. A is 1, B is 0, and we're solving for C. If we solve for C, we get 10. So using this in the formula, Tn is equal to An squared plus Bn plus C. In the place of A, once again, we are putting 1. In the place of B, we have 0, and C, we have 10. So simplifying this, we have the general formula being n squared plus 10. Okay, so please make sure that you've understood how to get these formulas. You see that these formulas over here to help us get the A, B, and C are very important, and you should remember them. This is not the only way to find a quadratic sequence, this general formula, and if you have another method, then that is fine as long as it is mathematically correct and gets you the right answer all the time. Thank you for watching, and please watch our other videos for more examples.